Hello everyone, I am Shoma Shaha Singh. Welcome to my channel Ami, Tumi o Rong Tuli. Today I will show you how to make a greetings card with surprise inside. First, I take an A4 size light green sheet of paper and fold it. Then I cut them into strips, each of 1 inch. Next, again fold every strips to make stems. So look, light and dark green stems are ready. Similarly, fold and cut strips of paper as you are seeing here and make leaves. Using the same steps, make 2 or 3 more flowers so that you have a bouquet. Now take an old used strip of medicines or tablets. See the round compartment, cut them out and paste them in the middle of the flowers. Place the flower bouquet in a bigger sheet of paper like this. I have used blue. You can use any color. This is going to be our card. With this yellow strip, see how I am making a bell to keep the card closed. It's an important accessory. So take care while making it. Again, decoration is always a plus. Now comes the fun part. Making the space for the little surprise that I talked about in the beginning. Decorate however you want. This white card is for a small message. Now, let's see how the card turned out to be. With the message or note, you can also give some small candies, toffees, and some cash as well for them to use as they want to. So friends, I hope you liked it. Do try making it yourself and gift it to close ones. And let me know in the comments how it all went. Remember, you can add your style to your creation. So, thank you for watching. Like and comment. And make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.